students, today I am going to say about solving the linear equation. I know that many students are finding the difficult part in solving the linear equation. Okay, so I just give one of the equation, how to solve and show you also. There are three methods are there for solving the linear equation. What are the three methods? You will see one by one. So I'll make a three part actually. So first method is substitution method. Substitution method. So this is the first method. Okay, I'll write one equation here. 5x plus 3y, that is equal to 35. Okay, another equation they given 2x plus 4y, that is equal to 28. Now after you are looking at the equation, you have to first what you have to do is you should see that x value you have to get it and then substitute in the other equation also. Now what we will do is this is 5x plus 3y equal to 35 given. This I am converting into 5x is equal to, let us consider this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now equation number 1, what I am just doing is 5x only I am just considering the value, so that 3y goes to other side become minus. So this I can write it as 35 minus 3y. Now from this x value I want to find out, here 5 into x is a into number goes to other side, you have to divide. So x is equal to 35 minus 3y whole divided by 5 you will get. Okay. Now whatever you are getting x value, this value you have to substitute in equation number 2. Okay. Now I am writing a sentence. Substitute x equal to 35 minus 3y the whole divided by 5 in equation number 2. I am substituting. This is equation number 2. So wherever x are there, only here only I have x, other place there is no x. So here I have to write this value. So 2 into x part I am writing 35 minus 3y whole divided by 5. Then afterwards what else are there? Plus 4y. Plus 4y, that is equal to 28. Now I converted equation number 2 all in terms of y variable. Why I am doing single variable is so that solving that equation become very easy, otherwise very difficult. Now later what I am just doing is whatever the divide number is there, that I have to remove, because if denominator are the solving become very difficult to transpose other things also. So now what I am doing is cross multiplying by 5. Cross multiplying by 5. If I cross multiply by 5, this 5 gets cancelled. Okay, only 2 only will remain here. 2 into 35 minus 3y plus, because I have to multiply this side also into 5. Here also into 5 I have to do. Then here also into 5 I have to do. But this 5 gets cancelled. Okay, but here 5 is there. So 5 4s are, how much will get? 20y. Then 5 28s are, 5 8s are 40, 4 carry over, 5 2s are 10, 40, 140 will get. Now you start to multiply this also, 2 35s are 70, then 2 3s are 6y plus 20y, that is equal to 140. Now these two we can simplify, because these are all only like terms we called as 6y and 20y. In 20 by 6y if you subtract, how much you will get? You will get 14y. Then this 70 you take to other side. So this is plus. If there is no symbol, this is considered as plus. If it goes to other side, become minus. 140 minus 70, you will get the answer as 70. Now y is equal to into 14 is there. Into number goes to other side, you have to divide. So 70 divided by 14, you will get the answer as 5. Now y value we have solved. Okay, next we have to find out x value. How do you find out? Already we got x value. X is equal to 35 minus 3y is equal to 5. That is same first equation only I just converted. So substitute in equation number 1 this value. so that you will get about x value also. Substitute y equal to 5 in equation number 1. Okay, 1 is saying like this. So x is equal to 35 minus 3y is 3 into y, this meaning is. So 3 into 5, how much you get? 3 into 5 is 15. Okay, that I will do next step, divided by 5. So now what you will get? 35 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 5. So 35 minus 15, you will get the answer as 20 divided by 5, you will get the answer as 4. So now we have actually completely solved. So finally you have tried that. Therefore the solution means we have got the answer for x and y value. So the solution is x is how much? X equal to 4 we got. So x equal to 4 and y equal to how much we got? 5. Okay, students, listen, already I talked about substitution method for the solving for the same equation. Now I am going for second method. Second method we call as elimination method. Let us also see, because in board exams they may ask any method, whether substitution or elimination. One more also I am going to explain later after this. Okay, now what you have to do for elimination? Elimination means what? We have to remove. So one variable at least we have to remove. So I will consider x I will remove, eliminate. Okay, how to remove? First we have to compare the coefficients of x value. In first equation, coefficient here given it as 5. Second equation, it is given it as 2. So both numbers are not same. So we cannot eliminate. So what you have to do? You have to find out the LCM for 5 and 2 in order to remove the x variable. LCM for 5 and 2. What is the LCM for 5 and 2? We will get as 10. 10 is LCM. Why means in 10 we can divide 5 also, in 10 we can divide 2 also. Now how to convert this 10? I have to multiply by 2 times, isn't it? If I multiply 2 times, then I will get 10. So now what I will do is, equation number 1, whatever are there, that I am multiplying by 2. Okay. So after multiplying, 2 5s are 10x it that will become. And 2 3s are 6y. And 2 35s are, I will get answer as 70. Then second equation you see, I have to get same 10x. Because LCM we got 10, so in order to get this 10x, I have to multiply by 5. So equation number 2, whatever are there, that I am multiplying by 5. If I multiply by 5, what will happen? 5 2s are 10x. See, I have got now same coefficient. Then 5 4s are 20y. Okay, then 5 28s are 140. Okay, then put a line. And here, if you look at the x coefficient, both are same symbol is there. Same symbol are there. If you add, that will not get eliminated. How to eliminate this? We have to make opposite sign. One is plus means other one you have to make it minus, so that gets eliminated. So what I have to do? I should not add. I should make a subtract. Because subtract means the symbol will change for the equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Now what will happen? This plus symbol become minus. And this plus also become minus, this also become minus. Now what will happen? Plus 10x minus 10x. Equal and opposite, both will get cancelled. Now I eliminated. That's why we call it elimination method. Now I removed one variable gone. Now we have got single variable. Now this is minus is there. And when you compare about plus and minus number is greater. So 20, if 6 gone means you will get 14y. But because minus symbol is greater, so we have to write it as minus 14y is equal to, here also if you look at it, plus 70 minus 140. So the difference is 70, and because minus symbol is greater, I have to write minus 70. On both sides, when there is a minus or there in the equation, we can make it both sides as plus also. It is possible. Then now y I have to get value. So now 14 into y is that into number goes to other side, you have to divide. So 70 divided by 14, I will get the answer as 5. So last equation also we got the same value, y value, and here also this is another method. After you are getting this, next what you have to do? The same value you have to substitute. Substitute y equal to 5 in equation number, anywhere equation you can substitute. There are two equations are given. but compared to the first one, second one, it appears to be very simplified type result. So we'll try to take this because simple number other multiplication also become very fast we can do. That is why I'll select equation number 2. Now I'll substitute where is y is there, only I have got y value here only. So here x is there, x value still we don't get the answer. So 2x as it is you write, 4y is given. So there you write 4 into y plus you write 5 because y we got the answer as 5. 4y written, 4 into 5 that is equal to 28. Now already we know 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 2x plus 4 5s are 20, that is equal to 28. Now plus 20 goes to other side, what you have to do? Minus. So 2x equal to 28 minus 20, so we will get the answer as 8. Now what is x value? Into 2 goes to other side, we have to divide. So 8 divided by 2, we got the answer as 4. So last equation also we got the same answer for both also. Finally you write, therefore the solution is, first you write x value, x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. Okay. Okay children, just look at it. Now the third method I am going to teach about solving the linear equation. Now the third method name is, we call it as cross multiplication method. How to do this? Let us see here. So now what you have to write is, first you have to write the x you write here. Okay, then you write y, then you write 1. Y I am writing 1 means constant we will consider as y. There is y variable are there, x variable are there, and constant is there. Constant place you write 1. Now whatever in the first equation given, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Just look at the coefficient, that's all. X coefficient what is given? 5. That 5 whatever are there, that you write it here down. Here what is y coefficient given? Plus 3. Plus 3 means don't put any symbol, write 3 only. And 35, it is equation other side is there. So other side 35, if you bring it this side, that will become minus 35. So in the place of constant, don't write plus 35 because according to the general form of equation, the general form will come as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a general form of linear equation. General form of linear equation. So all the linear equation, last you have to get 0. So in order to get 0, you will bring 35 this side. So that is why that become minus. So minus 35 should enter here. Don't write plus 35. Then we will come to the second equation. What is the x coefficient given? The 2. The 2 right. And what is y coefficient given? 4 you write. What is constant value? 28. 28 if you take the other side, that become minus 28. So write minus 28. Instead don't write plus 28. This is the first step. After writing, now how to solve, let us see here. First you write x divided by. While writing x on the numerator, leave it this column. Now consider only these two columns. Leave this x because x written, leave it this. Now you cross multiply like this. Okay, so 3 into 28. You write it here 3 into 28. Then put a minus symbol. Okay. The first one from here to here, don't change any symbol as it is. You make a cross this thing, and here sorry here minus 28 given, so I have to put minus 28 also because minus is there. But while coming here, you have to put minus of again 4 into this minus 35 is there. So here what symbol is remaining, same you write 3 into minus 28, but while doing from here to here, 4 into minus 35 written, and here you should put minus, that's all. Then that is equal to, next y you write, while writing y, leave this y column, leave it. Okay, y column if you leave it, this column should not do anything, these two numbers. Okay, now come to here. From x to this side you cross multiplication you do. From here to here you do cross multiplication. 5 into minus 28 is there. So 5 into minus 28 you write. Okay, then one more thing I have to say. Whenever you come to y, here you have to introduce one more minus y. Here you don't introduce, x only should write. But second place, y you have to introduce minus sign also. Then as it is you do 5 into minus 28, and then while coming to the next one, you should put here another minus. Then 2 into minus 35. Okay, like that you have to write. So what I have done, so y plus you should introduce minus, then 5 into minus 28 as it is you write. Then from here to here you write, but here the minus should come extra. Okay, then another divide line put. Now you write 1 because the constant is 1. While writing constant, now I rub this line because you will have confusion. So I rub this. Now this column I leave it constant. Only consider these two columns only. These two cross multiplication do, these two cross multiplication will do. So 5 into 4, how much you will get? 20. So I will write 5 into 4, then I will write, otherwise we cannot remember properly. 5 into 4 I return, then minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 I return. 2 into 3. Okay, now we will simplify this. So x divided by 3 into minus 3 8s are 24, 2 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 8 minus 84 we are getting. Here minus into minus become plus. 4 35s are, you will get answer as 140. Okay, 140 we are getting here. That is equal to minus y is 5 28s are 100, 140 will get minus 140. Then minus into minus become plus, plus 70 will get there. That is equal to 1 divided by 5 4s are 20, 20 minus 2 3s are 6. Now simplify this. Here 140 is a plus number, this is a minus number. So we have to subtract. If you subtract, how much you get? 56, isn't it? So x divided by 56 will get. That is equal to here minus y divided by, here minus number is greater, find the difference. Difference is 70. Because minus symbol is greater, we will get minus. Now both side minus is there. Minus minus both side is there, we can make it as plus. Then that is equal to 20 minus 6, we will get the answer as 14. Okay, now we have to solve x value. How to solve this x value? Consider these two only now. If you consider these two, x divided by, so this implies that x divided by 56 is equal to 1 by 14. Now cross multiplication type you do. So while doing cross multiplication, what you will get? 14x is equal to 56. Now 14 goes to the other side, we have to divide. So x is equal to 56 divided by 14. So you get the answer as 4. And last method also we got the same value, x value as 4. Here also we got the same value. Okay, now we have to find out y value also. While doing y value, don't consider about x things, only constant and y you have to consider. Okay, whatever return, that I will write. Y divided by 70 is there, that is equal to 1 by 14. Next what you have to do? You have to cross multiply like this. 14 into y, 14y you will get. 1 into 70, you will get 70. Now 14 I am taking to other side, so you have to divide 70 divided by 14, then you will get the answer as 5. So last method also we got the same answer. Finally write, therefore the solution is x equal to 4 and y equal to 5. See, another important method I am going to say for solving the linear equation. This is a graphical method for 10th standard guarantee question. It will come also 4 marks question. So let us also see the important method of solving by graphical method. So far what I have taught, one is substitution method, elimination method, then one more is cross multiplication. Now graphical method also we'll see how to solve. There also we get the same kind of answer only. We already what we got there, x equal to 4 we got, then y equal to we got 5, isn't it? By solving by previous method. Now what you have to do is, now only 3y you keep it on the left hand side, x you transpose to right hand side. So what I am doing is, first equation 3y I am taking, that is equal to I am putting. Now 5x plus is there, that 5x shifted to 35 place, that become minus. So 35 minus 5x will get. Now here 3 is there, this coefficient also I am pushing to other side. So what I will do, into number goes to other side, you will get divided. So 35 minus 5x divided by 3 we are getting. Now we have to make a box actually. So for making a box, okay, here I write x value, here I write y value also. Let us give the value, I'll tell you. So you select actually 1 x value. Why I am taking select as 1 means so that that number become easily divisible by 3. If you take other number, you will get decimal number and you lead into a wrong calculation also. So if I take 1, what will happen? Let us see here. So if I take x value as 1, so now I will calculate this equation. So when x equal to 1, 35 minus y is equal to 35 minus 5 ones are how much you get? 5 divided by 3. Okay, so 35 minus 5 you will get 30 divided by 3, you will get the answer as 10. The 10 whatever you are getting, that value right here. Similarly, next we will take about 4 only. Why I am considering 4 means other number if you take, you will get a decimal number. You have to get a whole number. That is why I am selecting preferable number 4. Okay, now what will happen? Let us see here. When x equal to 4, okay, then what will happen? Y value, okay, y is equal to 35 minus 5 4s are, because x value 4, 5 4s are become 20, that divided by 3. 35 minus 20 will get the 15 divided by 3, will get answer as 5. That 5 value enter here. Then next we will give y equal, okay, x equal to, we will give next value as 7. When x equal to 7, now we will calculate what will become y value. Y equal to 35 minus 5 7s are 5 x is 5 into x, 5 into 7 will get 35 only, divided by 3. 35 minus 35, 0 will get 0 divided by any number, you get the answer as 0, so write 0. Similarly we have to do for this also. Here also same, what you have to do, keep it left hand side only y1. So 4y1 I am keeping on the left hand side, 2x I am taking to other side, so that become minus. So 28 minus 2x we are getting, now 4 you take to other side, so that what you will get, y equal to 28 minus 2x divided by 4. Now we have to give the value. Okay, so you make a column also like this. Here also the second method. Okay, here I am writing x value, y value. Here also you should see that after what value you give, so that the number will get answer as whole number. So I am giving only about x value as 2. So when x equal to 2, what will happen? Let us see here. What will happen now? Y. So you substitute x place in here as 2. So 28 minus 2 into x is there. So 2 2s are 4. That divided by 4. So 28 to 4 after subtraction, then you will get 24 divided by 4. 6 4s are 24 already know. So we will get y value answer as 6. Okay. Next you give value as 4 will give x value. So when x equal to 4, what will happen? Y value. So here only substitute 28 minus 2 into 4. 8 will get divided by 4. So I will get 20. So that 20 can be easily divided by 4 also. We will get the answer as 5. That 5 value enter here. Next we will give the value as 6. 6 if we give, what will happen? Let us see here. When x equal to 6, y equal to 28 minus 2 6 are 12 divided by 4. If you subtract 12, then you will get 16 by 4. You will get answer as 4. That 4 you enter here. So these columns are very important. Why we are making this column is we have to plot the different points. Now I draw the graph. We have to select the scale also. So I will give the scale as we have to check here numbers. What is the x value? Maximum number is 7. From 1 it starts up to 7 goes. Then y places it has to go up to 10. Okay, likely you have to take this scale also. So what I just to do is 10 centimeter type I am drawing the graph, and x axis we have to take it as up to 7. also I am making a line. Okay, so now what I will just do is I am taking, because the board size is bigger size, I am taking scale as little bigger size. Okay, so here 2 centimeter I am taking it as 1 unit. So every 2 I am marking here by using the scale. So here I will write 1, 2, here origin is a 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similarly I write on the y-axis also, similar type. What I will mark it is, here 2 also, here another 2, so then one more, then one more, then one more, one more. So I mark it like that. So that how much I'll get? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then one more 10. So 10 I got. Okay, here 10. Now we will plot all the points. So what are the values given? First box, let us see, first equation. X value 1, y value 10. X value, this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, so first quadrant it comes all are positive value, so we will give 1, 10. Where it meets, let us see here. So we will get the point somewhere here, plotting point. Okay, second point is 4, 5. X value 4, y value 5. X value 4 is here, y value 5, where it comes, let us see here. So here it point meets. Okay, there I mark. Third point is 7, 0. 7, 0 means here we get. So all the 3 points you mark it. Then you enter the coordinate also. This coordinate is 1, 10, and this coordinate is 4, 5, and third coordinate is 7, 0. Okay, now join all these points. You will get a straight line, because linear equation is you have to get a straight line. So we will get a straight line equation. So like that you will get. Okay, now what is this line we have drawn for the first equation? First equation says 5x plus 3y, that is equal to 35. I have drawn. Now we will come for second equation. Second equation coordinate is given. 2x value is y value 6. So where we get x value 2 is here and y value 6, we'll get it somewhere here. So you mark that point also. So just come straight line, because I am drawing on board. In graphical sheet we will get exactly properly. So this is 2, okay, 2, 6 coordinate. You write, mention that also. Next 4, 5. 4 is here, 5 is here, same point. Okay, then 6, 4. 6 is here and 4 where we will get? Somewhere here. So where it meets you see. So that coordinate you mark it also, 6, 4. Now we join all these points also. There also you get a straight line. Okay, like this you get. Second equation line. Okay, now what is this equation says? Second equation what I written? 2x plus 4y, that is equal to 28. Okay. Now where it both line intersects, this point actually intersects. This point here only both line intersects. There you produce a line here as well as here also. What is x value we got? X value we got it as 5 and x value as 4 and y value as 5. Therefore, the solution by graphical method is x equal to how much? 4 and y equal to 5. See, previously solving method also we got the same answer. Here also we got the same answer. Then finally you have tried scale, also very important. Scale how I have taken is 2 centimeter I have taken it as 1 unit. So that also mentioned here. In x-axis I am considering 1 unit equal to 2 centimeter. Okay, then y-axis also I have taken 1 unit increasing. So 2 centimeter I have taken. So 1 unit equal to 2 centimeter. Okay children, so learn all these 4 methods. So I have given important type because these are the expected questions. So if you thoroughly practice all this, I think this will be helpful for solving the various other chapters also. So kindly share my videos, then like it, give the very good comments. Okay, I'm thanking you for watching and watch the entire video. Don't stop it because otherwise you cannot learn.